The seventh question of a LeetCode 75. So in this question, what is the problem statement is that we will be given an array, and in this array we will be having integers in each and every entry of the array. And what we need to do is need that for a particular index we need to product on the entire array except the element of the particular index. We should get the product of all elements of this particular array except that ith index, and we should return that product value in that particular as an entry of that particular index in another new array. We should this is given array arr, and we should create another array ar of 2 such that for ith index we should give the product of the elements of the array initial array except the particular index. For this we should give the product of this thing. For this array entry we should give the product of all these things. So in that particular way we need to return an array. And he has also given that we should not do this process by dividing the thing, or simply we can do what is that we can multiply each and every entry into some product variable. We can directly write for I auto in some nums as it's given. Product star is equals to I, and we will be getting is equals to 1. So in this way we will be getting the total product of the thing, and we can directly for each index I, for I is equals to 0 to I is less than and I plus plus, we can directly keep product by I, arr of I is equals to the entry ans of I. So you can directly get in this way very simply, but this is not the mode he is asking. He has said that we should not use this particular kind of solution. So what is the another way for this question is a problem. So one thing we can do is one thing which is best thing we can do is that for any such kind of problems, for if we are traversing through indices, then we can thought of some prefix sums and suffix sums. So in this question we will be calculating prefix product and suffix product. So prefix product is that till that index I, the product of all the elements till that index I is stored in this prefix product array. And what is the suffix product array is that from the ending to that index I we will be storing the product of all the elements. So in this way we will be having two arrays, prefix product and suffix product. So what we will be doing for particular index I is that we will be multiplying prefix product of I minus 1 into suffix prod of I plus 1, because for given element array if this is I, we need the product of this thing and we need the product of this thing. So this particular product will be coming from this thing and this product will be coming from this thing. So in this way we will be returning all the product of these things for each index in index I from 0 to n into the answer array. One catch from this point is that we should be will be not defining the suffix array and prefix array for 0 till n minus 1, because for the 0th index if we directly calculate from this particular formula and n minus 1 for index we will be calculating from this formula, that will be wrong, because for n minus 1 thing it will become suffix product of I plus 1 means n minus 1 plus 1 which is n. So suffix product of n index, and in this case of I minus 1, prefix product of I minus 1, if it is 0 then we will be having a minus 1 index. So in these two cases we will be not defining either of the suffix or prefix product. So what we'll be doing, we will be directly entering manually the entry of the 0th or the starting index and the ending index. We will be entering those two. So for example answer of 0 is equals to, we will be having, as we will be not having any prefix and we will be directly adding suffix product of I plus 1, that's it. And for answer of n minus 1 answer of n minus 1 is equals to having, we'll be not having any suffix product because there will be not any another element after the thing. So we'll be directly, something got happened. We'll be directly keeping answer of n minus 1 is equals to prefix prod of I minus 1. That's it. So in this way, for each and every I, we'll be calculating from this thing. For 0 and for n minus 1 of these two entries, we'll be calculating for this thing. Then our will be finished.